To summarize the findings of our investigation using Desmos, we'll first just summarize our findings about the coefficient A and what that represents. And A represents different amplitudes, and a negative amplitude does this. So this is a negative, and this is a positive, and this is a positive amplitude. And those are our amplitudes, positive, positive, and negative. The greater this number A, the taller it gets, and the amplitude is this value from the x-axis to the peak. The B, the angular frequency, the omega, if we start with a generic sine curve like this, the frequency could change. And if we have a negative frequency, it's the opposite. So this would be a negative frequency, and these two are positive frequencies. Frequency is how many cycles per second. And we look at our formula for omega. Omega is 2 pi over t, and so that has units of radians per second, angular velocity. C, which we call the, so let's put the names on here. We call this the amplitude. This is the omega, the frequency, and this is phi for the phase shift. We start with our generic equation, our generic function. A positive is a shift to the left. And a negative is a shift to the right. And lastly, D is our intercept shift. Such that if this is our equation, our first function, the next one will look exactly the same, but you shift it upward, or if it's shifted downward. And that's summarizing our constants. This is our y-intercept. This is our phase shift phi. And this is our amplitude, A. Now really we're only going to see situations with A and B. But that's what C and D are as well.